Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video you will learn how to assign a name to your alarm. Okay, for example, if you have already set an alarm and if you would like to name that alarm, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the clock icon from the home page of our tablet here, and then go to the particular alarm. Okay, just click on this symbol, arrow symbol, down arrow symbol, and you will see details here. Click on add label, and if you have assigned any name, that will be available here. If you didn't do any name, it will show empty. Here it shows empty because I did not give any name previously while setting up my alarm. Okay, here itself I can give any name to my alarm. Okay, so 5:30 a.m. I have set alarm. So at 5:30 a.m. I would like to do some task. Okay, for what purpose I am going to set this alarm? Okay, that can be mentioned here so that I can understand that for this purpose I have set alarm, and after ringing the alarm I can understand that yes, this is what I have to do is. So here I just type exercises. So at 5:30 a.m. I will be reminded as a exercise should be done at 5:30 a.m. Okay, or on particular days I have selected some particular days only. I can also select all days. So if you select all days alarm will be repeated, so alarm name will also be showing along with your alarm. I can understand that for exercise purpose I have set my alarm. Okay, so in this way you can assign any name to your alarm in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.